don't know if y'all saw my last thrifting video where I went to an estate sale and got tons of amazing stuff. Well, I went back today. So let's do a haul. And if you missed that video, I will link it for y'all. Definitely need to watch. It was an amazing thrifting adventure. First things are for me. Actually, Ren is in the dining room right now eating off of these. I did wash them. Y'all, look at these beautiful Wedgwood plates. Creamy white and precious. Actually, not plates. They're like shallow bowls. A whole stack of them. I also just love these for decor. Look how beautiful they look just stacked up. I mean, you can just put them on your shelf like this and they are beautiful. I had a bunch of vintage hats over there, but this one caught my eye. Look how beautiful it is. I feel like for spring, just sitting on a shelf, this would be adorable. I'm not sure. How does it go on your head? Like this? Like this? Actually, I think it goes like this. Yes! Y'all, this is cute. Okay, why do we not wear fancy hats like this anymore? This is so much fun. I think I'm just gonna wear this the rest of the video. I got 2 sets of baby shoes. I just like using these in my decor. You could also put a Christmas tree in them at Christmas time or a bird's nest in them. I actually have some on my shelves over here in my entertainment center, so I'll put a clip of those in. So definitely don't pass up cute baby shoes. I saw these the first day, so when they were still there at half price, I grabbed them. They are very cute little Homer Lachlan cups, but my plan is to find some florals that fit in here and sell it, you know, as a set because I love putting my florals in these little cups. So they're just going to stay in my stash until I find the perfect little half spheres, or actually have one of these in my bathroom with an orchid in it, and I think it is so pretty. Beautiful wooden egg. Wait, will it fit in this little cup? Almost. I probably would need a little bit smaller cup. That way the egg would sit up here, or I could put a bird's nest and then an egg. These would be really cute with a bird's nest on top of them as well with some eggs. Another cute idea. So that's why I'm gonna hold on to these, and I know I'm gonna find the perfect pieces to put in them. I can't decide if I'm gonna keep or sell this piece because I may have started a mini broom collection, and she would be so cute in my collection. It's marked made in Japan right here. I don't know anything about this piece, but she's adorable. Let me know if you think I should keep or sell her. I saw this piece the first day, and when it was still there, this is another one I just had to have. It was meant to be, it needs to come home with me. Beautiful yellow bowl. It has crazing inside of it. I love the rib detail. This will look amazing in my home for spring. And when this was still here too, I just had to have it. I don't know where I'm gonna put it yet, and I'm kind of thinking I want to strip it to its natural color. That would be very beautiful, but it's definitely not an awful color. Actually the dark does look good in my home, so I don't know. I haven't decided, but I had to have it. I like how it has several hooks, several layers of hooks, not just one. And then also this top piece right here where you could put a hat on it. And I mean, look at the feet, y'all. That is amazing. So that is my haul from day 2 of the estate sale. Don't forget to watch day 1. I will link it. Let me know if I should keep this hat or not. And let me know what is your favorite item that I found today.